watch me doing yoga. I'm Daria. Right here on Go-Yo. Go Yoga. Namaste. Welcome to Go-Yo.
And here's the show where we keep your kids healthy, wealthy, and wise. Today on Go-Yo, we're going to learn how to be the
Tantrum breaker.
calm down your little ones when they're getting out of hand. Yoga to
Keep calm.
join us in magical kingdoms right here on
Go Yoga.
And here are the yoga poses. Let's get started.
Warm up pose.
First, let's warm up.
Sugasan pose. Mama will tell us a story.
Once upon a time, there was a warrior.
Warrior pose. I am brave. I have courage.
Who had a faithful dog.
Downward dog.
The dog loved to run around the magical tree. He also loved to sleep under the tree when the sun was shining.
Tree pose.
One day, the doggy saw something shiny under the tree. He started digging and found a beautiful diamond.
Diamond pose. Namaste.
He took the diamond to the warrior who was sitting on a chair under the magical tree.
Chair pose.
The warrior was so happy. He proposed to his love with that beautiful diamond, and they all lived happily ever after.
Yay! The end. Please subscribe.
Today on Go-Yo, we're going to learn how to
Be happy.
First, let's warm up.